Let's start with some MCQs of geography. Chapter number 2, the physical divisions of India. The first question is, the northernmost range of the Himalayas is known as. The options are Himadri, Lesser Himalaya, Shivalik, none of the above. तो जो northernmost range होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं हिमाद्री. Second, the Kangra and Kullu valleys are located in उत्तराखंड, जम्मू कश्मीर, हिमाचल प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश. तो कांगड़ा और कुल्लू वैली इज लोकेटेड इन हिमाचल प्रदेश. ऑप्शन नंबर सी. Majuli, the largest inhabited riverine island in the world, is located on Ganga, Brahmaputra, Yamuna, Kaveri. The answer will be Brahmaputra. Next, the Thar Desert is mainly located in which state? Options are Gujarat, Haryana, Rajasthan, Punjab. Thar Desert is mainly located in Rajasthan. Which mountain range forms the northern boundary of India? Northern boundary of India कौन फॉर्म करता है? It's very easy. Himalayas, Western Ghats, Aravalli Range, Nilgiri Hills. The answer is Himalayas. The largest delta in the world is Kaveri Delta, Godavari Delta, Krishna Delta, Sundarban Delta. The answer is Sundarban Delta. ये सबसे largest delta है world का. Which river flows through the Rift Valley in India? गंगा, यमुना, नर्मदा, ब्रह्मपुत्र. रिफ्ट वैली जो है वो नर्मदा के थ्रू फ्लो करती है. आंसर इज नर्मदा. द डेक्कन प्लेट्यू इज बॉर्डर्ड बाय विच रेंजेस ऑन द ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट? डेक्कन प्लेट्यू के ईस्ट और वेस्ट में कौन कौन सी रेंजेस हैं? ईस्टर्न घाट एंड वेस्टर्न घाट, सतपुरा एंड अरावली, नीलगिरी एंड विंध्या. नन ऑफ द अबव. द आंसर इज ईस्टर्न घाट एंड वेस्टर्न घाट्स. Which physical division is called the Rust Belt of India due to its coal and mineral resources? Peninsular Plateau, Northern Plains, Coastal Plain, Islands. क्योंकि Peninsular Plateaus are the storehouse of minerals, तो ये आंसर होगा Peninsular Plateau. Which island group lies in the Bay of Bengal? Lakshadweep Island, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Maldives. None of the above. तो Bay of Bengal में अंडमान और निकोबार आइलैंड लाई करता है. Next, what is the calcareous deposit found in the Bhangar region called? Very easy, it is called as Kankar. The wet, swampy and marshy south of the Bhabar belt is known as Terai. जो बहुत ही sweat काई टाइप का जो swampy area होता है, that is called as Terai. Which region of the northern plain is formed of older alluvium? भाबर, तेराई, भांगर, दोआब. तो आंसर इज भांगर. और भाबर जो है वो हमारा न्यू एलुवियम से फॉर्म होता है. तो दीज वर सम ऑफ द MCQs ऑफ ज्योग्राफी चैप्टर नंबर